If you need to refund a purchase on GOG.com, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can submit your request quickly and correctly. I'll also show you where to find the refund form and how to send it in the right place. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the site loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for Contact Us. Clicking this will take you to GOG's support options, which is where the refund process begins. On the support page, find and click Orders and Payments. This is the category that handles purchase-related issues, including refund requests. After that, click Contact Us again inside the Orders and Payments section. This will open the support form area where you can choose the refund option. If you see a link that says Looking for our refund form, click it. GOG sometimes places the refund form behind this prompt so you can go directly to the correct request page. Now you should see your order history. Select the purchase game that you want to refund. Make sure you choose the correct title, especially if you have multiple purchases. Once you've selected the game, click Request Refund. This opens the refund request form for that specific order. At this point, fill out the form carefully with any required details. You may need to explain why you're requesting the refund, so keep your message clear and concise. Double check the order information before continuing because submitting the wrong game could delay the process. When everything looks correct, submit the form. After that, your refund request will be sent to GOG support for review. From there, you just need to wait for their response and follow any additional instructions they provide, and that's it. You've now learned how to refund on GOG.com using the official support process. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.